Leap is the global leader in the development of integrated legal practice productivity solutions for law firms. A trusted partner of more than 60,000 lawyers, Leap allows you to provide outstanding legal services to your clients and allows you to run a productive and profitable law firm. Law firms using Leap enjoy all of the benefits of a state-of-the-art practice management system, as well as legal accounting, document assembly and management, and legal publishing assets all in one integrated solution. Let's learn how. Leap comes in a desktop application, a web browser application, and also a mobile application. Using Leap allows you to be completely serverless, and all of your information resides within Canada on Amazon Web Services, located in Montreal, Quebec. Leap is also a hybrid cloud solution, allowing you to work anywhere at any time. Now that I am in the electronic matter, I am going to go ahead and select Forms and Precedents. Here you can see that Leap has thousands of court forms and precedents readily available for your firm to access for all of the common areas of law. Right now, we are currently in a family law matter, a divorce and separation, and all of your details are going to reside on the left-hand side. The benefit of this is that all document creation is going to pull from your details and seamlessly enter in the matter respective information when you generate one of these forms or precedents within this folder. Within Leap, you can easily generate folders to further organize all of your correspondence. Everything related to the matter is going to reside under the correspondence. And if you wish to simplify your viewing, it's as simple as a drag and drop for you to then double click and open up your respective folder. You also have unlimited storage capabilities within Leap. There is no cap onto how many documents, images, anything you need in regard to the matter can reside within Leap software with unlimited capabilities. Accessing your reports is done easily within Leap. All you are required to do is select the menu icon up here. Here you have access to your accounting reports, everything in relation to the accounting, whatever your bookkeeper or accountant needs. You can also have your reports here that brings you over to our web page where you can have matter and client reports, trust reporting, your general account reports, and anything related to management. All of these reports are easily accessible if we wanted to go to the fee earner overview here. For example, we would select the time and date of where we're looking to view, staff responsible, we'll select the sections, and now select view. All of these reports can easily be transferred into Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, anything you wish is readily available here. And as easy as that, you have access to all of your forms. If we wanted to pull up our trust bank reconciliation, we can do so as well. Easily, we can see the last year of statements and everything connected to the web browser. We have easy access to view anything related to the firm. Once again, we have our matters and clients, all of these matters, reports that are readily available, the trust, general account, and also the management. Leap invests more than $20 million a year to research and development so that our clients have the best possible experience. If you would like to learn more about how Leap can help you run a more productive law firm, please feel free to schedule your demonstration from our website or email sales@leaplegalsoftware.ca.